Yeah, ito yung Corolla Cross. Di na natin patatagalin to Pero before we enter, cite ko lang yung advantages nito. Alright? Quick lang to yung mga differences niya. So, sa mid-variant is 18-inch yung mags. Pero sa top of the line na GRS, na Corolla Cross is iba yung design ng mags niya. 18-inch din siya, pero GRS design yung mags niya. By the way, this one behind me is the Corolla Cross V. So this is the mid variant. Meron tong Toyota Safety Sense. So going back is, advantage din ng GRS nito is naka GRS version siya na shocks. Yan, alright? So merong moonroof yung top of the line. Then meron ding roof rails. So sa top of the line lang tayo may roof rails Itong V is wala siyang roof rails. Then, same silang leather seats. Then, also power seats. By the way, yung power seat adjust nito is for the driver side only. Yan. Alright. Then, kick sensor. So, sa top of the line and the mid variant, this one, sila lang yung may kick sensor to open the tailgate. Then, go back to Toyota Safety Sense and meron tong 4 na sonar here. So that's for V variant and top of the line. Kung base variant, the Corolla Cross G, dalawa lang yung sonar niya here. Yan. So yeah, pasok na tayo. So yeah, wait, before we enter is, of course, meron tong smart entry. Yan, yun yung dalawang line. Yan. Hindi mo na kailangan bunutin yung susi na nakahang dito sa pants mo or pagbabae. Nasa loob yung susi. So yan, pag nasense na itong vehicle, malapit yung susi, gagana na itong smart entry. Hindi yan push, sensor lang yan. Yan. Kapag nasense niya yan, malapit yung susi, mag-auto unfold na rin itong side mirror. This one, yan. So, pasok tayo. Ito ang design nung controls niya sa mga windows. Yan. Central lock ng doors, central lock ng window. Then ito yung retract ng side mirrors niya. Merong auto, yun na discuss ko kanina, mag-auto retract siya and auto fold. Then this one is the joystick. So kung gusto mo i-adjust yung left na side mirror, yan. Adjust. Then yung right na side mirror, yan. Then yung joystick niya. Nice, very convenient. Ito yung design ng unlock niya, then the lock. Yan. So ito, meron tayong isang cup holder na extended. Yan. Speaker design. Yan. This one is leather. Yan. Leather yan Yan. Ito plastic and this one is also leather. Leather yan Alright. So to, na-mention ko, power seat adjust to. And very convenient. Then ito yung pangbukas ng hood. Alright. Ito sa power tailgate. May control ka na dito. So pwede mo i-open yung tailgate by using this button and isarado. Yan. Then ito yung pang level nung headlight. Yan. Kita nyo? Na-scroll siya. Then this one is the auto high beam. Yan. Alright. Oh, lakas ng araw. So, yan. Nice. Yan ang design ng steering wheel niya. Alright. Dito is volume control, cursor. This one is to control the multi-information display here. Yan. Para ma-navigate mo siya, ito yung arrows. Then, okay is to enter that specific icon there. Ito yung back button. Then, answer ng call. Alright. So, ito naman is para sa cruise control. Lane departure monitoring. Yan. Lane assist. And this one is the front sensor. Yan. Skip. Then, mode. Mode, ito lagi pag nakita nyo yan dyan is this one is for the infotainment. Para nakafocus ka lang sa road habang pinipindot mo to. So magsa-cycle yan, AM, FM, Bluetooth, Ayan, Apple CarPlay. At least hindi ka magfo-focus masyado dito, syempre habang umaandar ka. Pag naisipan mo magpalit ng source ng sounds. Alright? Yan. Then, ito yung design ng sa aircon controls niya. Okay, medyo reflective lang siya. Yan, sana nakikita nyo. Ito yung adjustment niya. So, iniikot siya. This one, iniikot. So, wait. Nakikita nyo ba? So, yan. Ito yung off button. Front defogger. Rear defogger. Echo. Then, this one is the fan. Yan. Yung fan level. Pwede mo lakasan, hinaan dito. Teka, iniwasan ko yung reflection na. And ito yung airflow. Yan. Pwedeng sa paanan, sa muka, then pwedeng sabay. Then this one is the circulation. Yan. So the circulation is para lumabas yung hangin dito sa loob ng sasakyan, especially pag nakulob to, yung vehicle na matagal. So pag naka-on yan, yung airflow circulation is within the vehicle only. Alright? So ito naman, ito yung button para mag-off yung aircon sa second row. So kunyari, i-on mo siya, i-off mo siya. So nandito na lang siya. Hindi ka na pupunta sa likod. Then this one is the temperature. So yan, pag naka-on yan, syempre lalamig. Pag in-off mo yan, mag-work tong mga blower na to as fan lang. Wala siyang lamig. Alright? Nice. So going down is, this one is the wireless charger for the Corolla Cross. So yan, meron yung on-off button ha. Yan. Yan. So dito may mga button sa ilalim. Itong button na to is the drive mode. For example, power mode or eco mode. So nandyan. So kapag nag-power mode ka, mapapansin mo agad yung vehicle niyan, mas aggressive siya. Alright. Tapos ito, this one is the traction. Then this one is the electronic vehicle mode. So yung EV mode is actually pwede mo maset tong vehicle mo is maging full electric. Pero hold on lang, by the way guys, hindi papayag tong vehicle na mag full electric mode, this one, this button, kapag mababa yung battery level ng sasakyan. So yeah, pag di siya pumayag is mag-hybrid siya, syempre palitan. Alright, ito yung design ng shift knob niya, is may button dito sa ilalim para makapag-adjust ka. Line design siya. So ito, meron park, reverse, neutral, drive, and this one, the B is the brake. So technically pang low gear lang yan, especially kung uphill ka. Yan. Alright. So ito, meron pa rin tong electronic handbrake. Yan. Pag i-handbrake mo siya up, then pagka disengage is down, push down. So itong brake hold, madali lang to. So actually yung design nitong brake hold is para ka na naka-auto handbrake. So paano ba yun? So each time pagdating mo sa stoplight, ilong press mo tong brake pedal, automatically mag-handbrake na to sa sasakyan. Yan. So paano mo i-disengage? Hindi ka na titingin dito. Para hindi masira yung focus mo. Apakan mo lang ito, accelerator, automatically mawawala na yung handbrake. Gets? Yan. So pagdating mo ulit sa second stoplight, long press mo tong brake pedal. Pag long press mo niya, naka-handbrake ka na ulit. Then apak lang na accelerator, disengage na yung handbrake mo. Alright? So doon ka na lang nakatingin talaga, hindi ka natitingin dito. Nice. So ito, meron tayong dalawang cup holder here. Then ito, extra compartment. So sa extra compartment na to, merong power source dito, yung classic, yung bilog. Yan. Yan, alright? Kita nyo? Yan. Ganda. So yan, leather seats to ah. Then under is yan, glove compartment. Nice. Yan. Ito ah, leather yan ah. Leather siya. And may stitching running here. And so above is, this one is plastic. This one is leather. Yan. Nice. Alright, pagtapos natin dito sa dashboard is angat na tayo sa headliner. Black design siya, very sporty. Yan, mas elegante. And yan, meron tayong mirror dito sa driver's side. At itong ilaw na to automatic yung umiilaw kapag binubuksan mo yan. Yan. Papogi ka muna pag pupunta mo yung liligawan mo. Nice, okay. So ito, lit button, then door function. Door function para sa mga first time car owner. Pag pinress mo yan door function, iilaw to just to remind you na meron palang nakabukas na door. Especially kung may anak kang kasama here, right? At least mariremind ka, mawawarningan ka ng vehicle na may nakabukas palang door. Simply by reminding you na nakailaw to. Then this one, yan pang on dito sa passenger. So mag-ilaw, then dito naman is sa driver side. Alright? So yan, may kasama na yan dashcam. Ganda. And may kasama na yan memory card upon release. Alright. Yan yung design ng rear mirror niya. And if you are wondering about this one, ito yung sensor niya para sa lane assist. Yan. Nice. Okay, pakita ko lang ulit yung dashboard. Yan. Ganda, nice. So yeah, dito tayo yung second row, So tara, pasok tayo sa second row. Ito yung design ng second row door niya. May cup holder na, very accessible, nandito na sa armrest. Then this one is the handle. Window control. Ito, pang-unlock na door, open. Ito naman is, ayan yung design ng lock niya. Ayan, so yan design niya. This one is leather design. Ayan. May speaker of course, also at the other side. Pasok tayo. Ayan, leather seats yan And of course, meron tayong second row vent, aircon vent here. Yan, ganda. Pwede ma-adjust. May pang-close. Yan. Then beneath, actually, is merong Type-C na port here. Yan. Pwede kayo mag-charge. Yan. Alright. Type-C yan direct. Dalawa. Ayos. Then this one is meron lagayan tayo dito. Lagayan ng bote, dede, file, folder. Nice. And of course, same to. Right? And here, meron tayong central na lamp. Here. Yan, push button. Black design. Alright. Pakita ko lang yung dashboard ulit. Yan. Nice. Yan. By the way, Corolla Cross is 1.8 engine. Yan. Lahat na ng variant ngayon ng Corolla Cross is hybrid. Alright. So yeah, kanina, na-mention ko sa intro is this one. 4 ang sonars natin. 4 yung sonar sa likod. Ayan. Meron tayong emblem here for the hybrid. Then, yeah, Corolla Cross with the blue emblem. So by the way, meron tong dashcam din sa likod. So front and rear ang dashcam niya. Ayan, nice. Then, ayan, of course, meron tayong backing camera, reverse camera. Then this one, of course, is magnetic push. Power tailgate to, of course. Then with kick sensor. Yung kick sensor, of course, gaganyanin mo lang siya, then step back. Pag step back mo, automatic nang bubukas ng tailgate. Yan. Nice. So, punta tayo sa mags. And the mag size, of course, is, let's check. Ang mag size nito is 18. Yan, indicated here. So, two-tone design. Meron black accent, then silver. Yan, ganda. Of course, disc brake na rin ang likod nito. Stop recording. And of course, itong front na gulong niya is, of course, disc brake din yan. So, meron tayong turning signal light here for being the Corolla Cross V variant. And at the other side, this one is the passenger side. Meron tayong smart entry sensor. Nice. Ganda. Yan. Very executive ang design. Ganda. And yan, meron tayong front sensor here. Kita nyo? Yan, this one. And on the other side, fog lights, of course. So itong design ng bumper na to is actually nag-upgrade na to. Previously, hindi ganyan yung look niyan. Another sensor here. Ito yung design ng headlight niya. So yeah, this is the Corolla Cross V, the mid variant. Meron kami trade-in dito. Any brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. Same day swapping yan. So, kunyari, para at least may magagamit ka pang vehicle, at the same day ng release nito, doon pa lang namin kukuha yung vehicle nyo. All brands tinatanggap. Pwede kayo mag-high down para bumaba yung monthly, of course. In-house, yan, TFS, Toyota Financial Services, and banks meron tayo dito. Auto-debit na lang ang monthly natin, of course. Then, balloon financing. Actually, meron dito, balloon financing para mas mababa yung monthly mo. Yan, very nice. And, of course, kapag dadali nyo pala yung vehicle nyo dito for trade-in is magpa-appointment muna with me. Of course, kasi mahirap yan. Dadali mo yung sasakyan mo dito, then wala yung mga appraisers namin. Baka mamaya magalit kayo, advise muna kayo ahead of time. Alright? So, yeah. Yan na nga, patapos na tayo, And, kung mag-visit kayo here in showroom is, the best is, advise nyo muna ako. Checkin ko lang kung may naka-display kasi sayang na may punta nyo. Mamaya wala palang display ng gusto nyong vehicle. So, heads up nyo lang ako. Anytime, call me. Viber, WhatsApp, meron tayo niyan. Text nyo ako, chat nyo ako anytime. Alright? Bye!